Oh, I wasn't even recording. Geez, sorry. Stay tuned for the arrival into Charlotte. Alright, welcome back. I'm sorry about not catching the departure out of Toronto. It was interesting. My taxi was interesting because it was so snowy and blowing snow and everything. But this is going to be interesting going into Charlotte. I really wanted 18 left, but they're going to give me the right for traffic. I was like, oh my God. The taxi from there is just, who knows? I don't know. I might be better off Ubering. It's just crazy. So we're going to do our best. Kind of on a time crunch, and then they're going to put me on the right side. But all the airlines are just a mess, you know, so. We'll change its arrival to runway 18 right.
American 2549, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, a Global Express at 8,000.
Search American 2549.
Then we're going to have to go in here and change my landing data.
For 300 Juliet Whiskey, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,000, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
American 1266, contact approach on 132.7.
32.7, American 1266, good day.
Good day. American 1518, contact approach on 126.15. American 2549, additional traffic 2 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, and Embraer climbing out of 6 for 8.
Search it, American 2549.
American 1089, we're out of 13 to cross Parker 11, 250, we have Sierra.
American 1089, short approach, expect 18 right.
18 right.
With this creepy looking wall of clouds.
300 Juliet Whiskey, turn left heading 120 to be vectors to the final.
Okay, left to 120, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Still going to the right for 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Yes sir, 18 right. Number 300 Juliet Whiskey, speed 210 and contact approach on 132.7.
32.7 and 210 on the speed, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Approach citation, 300 Juliet Whiskey is 9.5, descending 7,000, 120 on the heading, and we're slowing to 210.
November 300 Juliet Whiskey, short approach, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Whiskey 5279, fighting 160, join the 18 right, localize, advise the field in sight 1 o'clock and 20 miles.
Alright, heading 160, join the 18 right, localize, we'll call the field, Whiskey 5279. Field in sight, 4 Golf Bravo.
November 4 Golf Bravo, clear visual approach on the 18 right, maintain 170 knots to odd.
Clear visual 18 right, 170 to odd, 4 Golf Bravo.
Site American 267.
American 2067, cleared visual approach on the 18 right, maintain 170 knots to odd.
18 right ain't even on the same damn airport.
American 2549, 7.7, descending 6.
American 2549, short approach, roger, reduce speed to 170, then maintain 5,000.
170 speed, then 5, American 2549.
American 2067, contact tower at odd, 133.35, good day.
Good day, American 2067.
American 1089, 10-7 for 7,000.
American 1089, short approach, roger. November 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn right heading 160 and join the 18 right localizer.
160 to join the 18 right localizer, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Did we turn our heading?
89,
I hit nav, localizer is armed.
Heading 110.
We're still doing our 210.
1089.
Port side, Blue Street 5279. Blue Street 5279, cleared visual approach on the 18 right, maintain 170 until odd.
Alright, clear visual 18 right, 170 to odd, Blue Street 5279.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, reduce speed to 170, Charlotte's 1 o'clock and 20 miles.
Okay, we'll slow to 170, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
November 4 Golf Bravo, contact tower at odd, 133.35, good day.
3335 at odd, 4 Golf Bravo, good day. American 2011 at 8500 for 6000.
American 2011, Charlotte approach, reduce speed to 170, then maintain 5000.
170, then 5, American 2011. I'll get speed brakes just for a second.
Blue Street 5279, maintain 180 knots.
180 on the speed, Blue Street 5279.
American 1266, turn right heading 090.
Right turn 090, American 1266. Alright, localizer's alive.
American 1089, flighting 150 on the 18 right, localizer, reduce speed to 170.
Heading 150, join the 18 right localizer and speed 150, American 1089.
American 1089, speed 170.
Speed 170, sorry.
Blue Street 5279, contact tower at odd, 133.35, good day.
Tower at odd, 3335, Blue Street 5279.
170 on the dot. And field to sight for 0 Juliet Whiskey.
0 Juliet Whiskey, cleared visual approach on the 18 right, maintain 170 till odd.
Cleared visual 18 right, 170 to odd, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
American 1266, turn right heading 160 and join the 18 right, localizer.
Heading 160 to join 18 right, localizer, American 1266.
American 1266, airport 2 o'clock and 18 miles.
Airport inside, American 1266.
American 1266, cleared visual approach on the 18 right, maintain 170 knots to odd.
Cleared visual approach to 18 right, 170 to odd, American 1266.
Blue Street 5279, reduce speed to 170 again to odd.
Alright, 170 now to odd, Blue Street 5279.
American 1089, descend and maintain 5000, airport's 1 o'clock and 20 miles.
And descend to 5000, American 1089. Too much glare.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact tower at odd, 133.35, good day.
Tower at odd, 300 Juliet Whiskey, good day. Alright, glide slope's coming in. We're not going to get to gear yet because we're trying to keep our speed up.
Okay, we got the airport in sight now, American 1089.
Alright, here comes 1 notch flat, sir.
Thanks, cleared visual approach on I-18 right, maintain 170 knots to odd.
170 odd, cleared visual, 18 right, American 1089.
American 2549, turn right heading 090.
Heading 090, American 2549.
Trying to figure out what our power setting is going to be to hold 170.
Yeah, approach Blue Street 5341, hello. 10,000 for 7,000 with 0.
Blue Street 5341, Charlotte approach, roger. American 1266, contact tower at odd, 133.35, good day.
13335, American 1266 at odd.
American 2549, Charlotte 2 o'clock and 20 miles, turn right heading 150 and join the 18 right, localizer.
Heading 150 to join the localizer.
Dude, get my runway.
American 2549.
With their Bazadas. Alpha tracking 806, 9.7, descended at 8,000, direct right key.
American 806, Charlotte approach, roger.
Uh, 2549 visual.
American 2549, cleared visual approach on I-18 right, maintain 170 knots to odd.
Clear for the visual 18 right, 170 to odd, American 2549.
Blue Street 5341, reduce speed to 170, then maintain 6000.
Slow to 170, then 6,000, Blue Street 41.
American 1089, contact tower at odd 133.35. Good day.
Tower at odd, American 1089.
American 2011, turn right heading 090.
Alright, 3 green, no red. Lights are going to stay where they're at for now. Going to gas on a little bit to keep her 170. 3 green, no red. Flaps are approach. Tower citation, 300 Juliet Whiskey's visual 18 right. Tower citation, 300 Juliet Whiskey's visual 18 right.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey Charlotte Tower, wind 170 at 6, runway 18 right. Clear land.
Clear land 18 right, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, we're going to keep our speed. I'm 170 right now. I got to slow to 161 to get full flaps. We're going to hold off for a little bit because everybody's doing 170. And now granted, everybody slows when they get there, but not as much as I want to slow. So we'll just keep our speed up for a little while longer. We're pulling our power back. There's 161. Laps are coming in.
Blue Streak 5279, turn left at Whiskey 4, join Sierra, hold short of runway 18 center.
Whiskey 2 Sierra and hold short 36 center, Blue Streak 5279.
Tower American 1266 inside odd.
Autopilot.
Alright, autopilot's away before landing checks are complete. Yeah, affirmative. We're about a 3-mile final.
American 1266 Charlotte Tower, wind 180 at 6, runway 18 right, clear to land.
18 right, clear to land, American 1266.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn left Whiskey 4, taxi via Sierra, hold short of runway 18 center.
Whiskey 4, Sierra, hold short of 18 center, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Tower American 1089 inside of odd for 18 right.
American 1089 Charlotte Tower, wind 180 at 6, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Just confirm 1089.
Yeah, 1089, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Roger, 1089, clear to land. 18 right.
300 Juliet Whiskey, monitor tower 126.4.
26-4, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Here's where it gets complicated. Sierra will hold short of the center. Alright, everything's done there. Camera.
1475 Charlotte Tower, runway 18 center, line up and wait. American 1518 Charlotte Tower.
Alright, let's see if we can bug Whiskey on across Sierra.
November 300 Julia Whiskey, Shuttle Tower, cross runway 18 center on Sierra, turn right on Echo, hold short of runway 23.
Okay, crossing 18 center, right on Echo, hold short of 23, 300 Julia Whiskey. Alright, we don't need to write that down, we got that much. It's right on Echo.
300 Julia Whiskey, contact ground on point 8.
Okay, we'll contact ground on point 8, hold short.
American 1266 on Sierra, cross runway 18 center, straight up Mike to the ramp.
Cross 18 center at Sierra, Mike to the ramp, American 1266.
American 20.
Ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey's on Echo, holding short at 23.
Here's there, Juliet Whiskey, cross runway 23 on Echo. As you cross, you can transition over to Foxtrot, and then left on Alpha, short of Alpha 4.
Echo, Foxtrot, Alpha, short of Alpha 4, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Crossing 23.
Number 300 Juliet Whiskey, traffic is going to hold in position, cross runway 18 left, and then Delta to Wilson.
Crossing 18 left, Delta to Wilson, 300 Juliet Whiskey, thank you. And we'll be across before this guy even gets out there. Alright. Well, half of our mission is successful. Now we just need to clear customs, get fuel, grab our passenger, and head back to Toronto. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.